You ever walk into your own home and feel crowded? Not by people, but by things. Stuff everywhere. Shelves full, mind full. It's strange, isn't it? How we keep adding, hoping it'll make life better. But somehow it just gets heavier. The Amish don't live that way. They've mastered something most of us forgot: decluttering backwards. A simple, quiet system that doesn't just clear your house, it clears your head. Today, we're diving into that. The Amish secret to organizing life the smart way, by starting where everyone else stops. You ever walk into your own home and feel crowded? Not by people, but by things. Stuff everywhere. Shelves full, mind full. It's strange, isn't it? How we keep adding, hoping it'll make life better. But somehow, it just gets heavier. The Amish don't live that way. They've mastered something most of us forgot: decluttering backwards. A simple, quiet system that doesn't just clear your house, it clears your head. Today, we're diving into that. The Amish secret to organizing life the smart way, by starting where everyone else stops. 2. Decluttering backwards, the forgotten rule. You've probably seen it before. The big weekend cleanout, the pile of junk on the floor, the endless question, should I keep this or toss it? But the Amish don't do that. They don't start with a mess. They start with meaning. Instead of looking for what to remove, they look for what matters most. And when you find that, the rest just disappears. That's the beauty of decluttering backwards. You stop trying to escape clutter, and you start choosing purpose. You don't fight with the excess, you ignore it. You look straight at what gives your life function, peace, and use. The Amish don't call it minimalism. They just call it living. 3. Purpose over possession. The Amish way of owning is almost poetic. They don't ask, do I like this? They ask, do I need this? Big difference. They keep things that serve a real, grounded purpose. A coat keeps you warm. A table feeds your family. A lamp lights your prayer. That's it. There's no just in case. No backup to the backup. When something breaks, they fix it. When something wears out, they replace it with care. We, on the other hand, pile up substitutes. We buy duplicates because we don't trust ourselves to choose. The Amish trust in enough. They live by it, and that makes their world feel lighter, clearer. Decluttering backwards forces you to see that truth. More things don't make you richer, just heavier. 4. The power of choosing what stays. Imagine walking into your room and asking, if I lost everything, what would I truly miss? That's how the Amish start. They look at their lives with honesty, not fear. It's not about emptiness, it's about essence. You don't begin by tossing clothes or rearranging shelves. You begin by seeing your life naked, unfiltered. You ask what truly supports it, what deserves space in it. Decluttering backwards feels strange at first because it's not how we were taught. We're told to clean by subtraction, but the Amish clean by selection. They don't think of decluttering as getting rid of stuff. They think of it as protecting what matters most. Their homes aren't empty. They're focused. Every corner whispers calm. 5. The meaning behind tools and things. In an Amish home, a hammer is not just a hammer. It's a tool that's used, cared for, respected. There's no drawer of 10 hammers. There's one, maybe 2, because they know what they need. They don't overown, so they don't overthink. That's the key to peace. Modern life is noisy because we've built noise into it. Too many choices, too many gadgets, too many distractions. The Amish never let things pile up to the point of confusion. Their homes breathe. Every object has its duty. When it's done, it rests in its place. They don't chase organization systems or fancy bins. They organize by living correctly. That's the heart of their efficiency. Simple work, simple space, clear mind. 6. The strength of restraint. Restraint isn't glamorous. It doesn't sell well. But the Amish have turned restraint into a quiet superpower. They don't chase new things because they don't need to. They aren't empty inside. They're full of enough. You see, restraint isn't about saying no. It's about saying yes to the right things. Every time they refuse excess, they make room for peace, for stillness, for life that actually feels like living. In our world, we think more is power. The Amish know less is freedom. They don't need to prove their worth through possessions. They find it in presence, in faith, in family. That's something we've lost. Decluttering backwards is a way to find it again. 7. Decluttering the mind, not just the room. Here's the part most people miss. Amish simplicity isn't just physical. It's mental. They don't clutter their days with endless to-dos or fake busyness. They rise early. They work steady. They rest deeply. Their homes reflect their minds. Order outside, peace inside. Try this yourself. Clean your desk, and suddenly your thoughts feel lighter. That's not an accident. Your environment shapes your emotions. The Amish live this truth daily. When they remove distractions, they create space for silence, for gratitude, for prayer. You can't declutter your home without decluttering your habits. That's what the Amish understand best. It's not about stuff, it's about state of mind. 8. The rhythm of simple living. Amish homes don't get messy overnight. They don't because clutter never gets a chance to grow. Their daily rhythm keeps everything flowing. After using something, they put it back. No waiting, no later. The system isn't forced, it's natural. That rhythm is what keeps life steady. We often think simplicity means doing less, but that's not it. It means doing what matters on time, every time. It's discipline disguised as ease. The Amish don't declutter weekends. They live uncluttered days. And because of that, they never drown in mess or guilt. Their order isn't about control, it's about peace. When you declutter backwards, you create that rhythm too. 9. Peace that doesn't shout. There's a strange kind of peace that fills an uncluttered home. It doesn't shout, it hums. Softly, you feel in your chest, in your breath. You stop rushing. You stop reaching for more. You start seeing what you already have. The Amish live inside that peace every day. Their homes aren't sterile, they're alive. Worn wooden floors, handmade quilts, quiet light through the window. Everything serves. Nothing screams for attention. Decluttering backwards lets you taste that kind of peace. It's not about perfection, it's about harmony. When everything in your world belongs, you finally do too. 10. Bringing it all back to you. You don't have to wear plain clothes or give up electricity to live like the Amish. You just have to think differently. Start with what deserves to stay in your life, not what needs to go. That one mindset shift changes everything. Keep what holds purpose. Release what drains it. Declutter backwards. Build your home around meaning, not materials. Build your day around peace, not pressure. You'll find that the less you chase, the more you have. The Amish aren't running from the modern world. They're showing us another way to survive it. Quietly, steadily, fully. Maybe that's the smartest way to get organized. Not to have less, but to live more. So maybe it's not about having empty rooms or bare shelves. Maybe it's about having space that means something. The Amish don't live slow because they have to. They live slow because they choose to. That's real peace. That's balance. If you start decluttering backwards, you'll see it too. Less noise, more life. And that's what we're all really looking for. Thanks for watching. And if you're ready to make your life simpler, slower, and more meaningful, stick around. You're in the right place. This is Rustic Pantry, where simple living still matters.